Welcome students. As you know, we are discussing about capacitor and parallel plate capacitor over. In parallel plate capacitor, and there are different cases, and the formula for that one was, this is the parallel plate capacitor. When it is here, formula C is equal to E epsilon naught upon D. When it is filled by small t thick dielectric constant, it was C is equal to E epsilon naught upon D minus T plus T upon K. When it is completely filled by dielectric constant, same formula it will modify. C is equal to K E epsilon naught upon D. When metallic conductor placed inside the capacitor, then it becomes C is equal to A epsilon naught upon D minus T. So these are the parallel plate capacitor and its different cases. In board exam once a question asks, is it possible to decrease the capacity of any conductor? It is impossible because its least value, because we know C is equal to K A epsilon naught upon D, and its least value for air, and for air dielectric constant is 1, so its capacity will be A epsilon naught upon D. After except the air, if you are filling another material as like water, it increases 80 times, as like mica, as like wax, what you fill inside the plate or between the plate, its capacity increases. So answer is very clear. It is impossible to decrease the capacity of any conductor because its least value is for air. While potential can decreases, field can decreases, force can decreases, but not capacity. Capacity will never decreases. Always it what? Increases when we fill the dielectric constant, because C is directly proportional to what? K. So this is the briefing about parallel plate capacitor, and you can see 4 formulas are there. Sometimes that question asks, if 3D upon 4, that question is given in LCRT example, that much thickness dielectric constant inserted between the plate, what will be the capacity? Very easy. Previously we got the answer for T thick. In the place of T, if you put 3D upon 4, you will get the another answer. So there are many options available. So by that formula, what you want you can get. This is the very key point. A epsilon naught upon T minus T plus T upon K. Let's suppose no dielectric inside the plate. It means T is equal to 0. Put T is equal to 0. This is 0, this is 0. So only you will get A epsilon naught upon D. You can get this one. Are you getting that? So this is the all about your parallel plate capacitor. Our next capacitor is spherical capacitor. Although this is directly not in your syllabus, but some question given your additional exercise in NCERT. So second heading is spherical capacitor. Spherical capacitor. Okay, you better know for capacitor there should be 2 plates. If they are parallel, this is called parallel plate. If they are spherical, this is called spherical plate. So let's suppose 2 plates are there. 2 plates. We can put here rubber. Let's suppose the radius of these plates are R1 and what? Its radius is R2. 2 concentric plates are there. If they are parallel, it is called parallel. If they are spherical, so it is called spherical. And from here plus Q charge given to inner one. When it given plus Q charge, what happened? You better know, total charge uniformly distributed on the surface. It's okay now. So on that surface it will be plus Q. So here by induction, you better know, same thing is going on. That was plus, it automatically become minus. Similarly here it become minus charge. Let's suppose this sphere is what? A, and this sphere is B, and outer surface is what? Earth. Very easy. 2 concentric spheres have a radius R1 and R2. When inner surface is charged by plus Q, minus charge automatically created on outer surface, since by induction, and this is Earth, and what I know, its potential is 0 because it is Earth and potential of Earth is 0. This is already done. Okay. So our aim, our track was from E to V and from V to what? C. That was our track. Okay. And we know the formula. C is equal to Q upon VA minus what? VB. Here we can directly get the answer because previously we got the potential for spherical ABC. ABC, 3 radius, different radius, and the 4. What are potential for A? VA is equal to KQ upon R. What we get? KQ upon R1. Then minus Q, minus KQ upon R2. So what are potential at A? A is equal to K, Q is common, 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. This is the potential at A. Are you getting? Potential at A, it is due to plus Q and it is due to minus Q. Plus Q have a distance R1 and minus Q distance have R2. Formula is potential KQ upon R. Directly we can get the potential. Without electric field, directly we can get the potential. Okay, so VA is equal to KQ up 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Potential of B is equal to what? 0, because it is become also R2 and R2 cancel, or otherwise it connected to earth. So outer potential will be what? 0. So what we get here? VA minus VB. VA minus VB is equal to KQ is common, inside 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. Equation number second. That was equation number first. Very easily we can get the equation number second. Okay. Now next process you better know. So what we get the answer? So formula C is equal to Q upon C is equal to Q upon VA minus VB. What are VA minus VB? It will be KQ 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. Q cancel out, all time Q cancel out, which confirm that it is independent from charge. Okay. So what we get here? C is equal to what a value of K? 1 upon Q, here 1, and value of K 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. What are inside? R1 R2 will be LCM. It will be R2 minus R1 upon R1 and what? R2. Are you getting now? Then we can solve it. So its formula C is equal to, it will go up 4 pi epsilon naught, 4 pi epsilon naught, and it will be R1 R2 upon R1 minus R2. So this is the additional exercise as well as formula for spherical capacitor, and we don't know formula for single isolated conductor. What was the formula for single isolated conductor? If isolated conductor radius R, and formula we know the formula C is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught R. Many questions be completed there. Same thing we are getting. C is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught R1 R2 upon R1 minus not R1 minus R2. It is R2 minus what? R2 minus R1. So that much farad is the capacity for spherical capacitor. Okay. So this is all about your spherical capacitor. In same way we can do cylindrical, but it will be same as like condenser, which is applied in your electric fan. Okay. So this is all about that one. Okay. Our next topic is very important. This is called combination of capacitors. This is very important topic. Many questions asked. So there are three combinations as like resistance. First is series, second is parallel, and third is mixed. On mixed we will do many numericals. So next heading is combination of capacitance. Combination of capacitor. And you better know what will be the symbol of capacitor. You better know it have a two plates, so all time it is in the symbol of this. This is the symbol of capacitance. Keep in mind, if C is written, you should know that this is a symbol of capacitor, but in SC Brahma it is written as like this. So don't go this. Keep in mind these lines should be parallel and equal. If you are getting as like this is called battery. But if you are getting parallel line, this is the symbol of capacitor. If you are getting as like this is called variable capacitor. So this is the basic difference between capacitor and variable capacitor. So this is the symbol of capacitor. Okay. Because when plus Q is given, it become what? Minus Q by induction. Okay. So our first topic is combination of capacitor in series combination. Series combination. So let's suppose many capacitor. This is C1, this is C2, and this is C3 connected in series. When V potential applied it, it become charge drawn Q. So it will become plus Q by induction minus Q, plus Q, minus Q, plus Q, minus Q, as like principle of capacitance. And let's suppose this outer surface is what? Earth. Then what we get here? Charges are same, but its potential will what? You better know. V1, its potential will be V2, and its potential will be V3. Very easy. C1, C2, C3, three capacitor. Capacitance is the ability, capacitor is the instrument. Okay. Three capacitors C1, C2, C3 connected in series. When V potential applied, keep in mind this is conceptual point. Charge remains same for all. You can see there plus Q, minus Q, plus Q. It means charge remain constant while potential will divide. So what are total potential? V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus what? V3. What the value of V? We better know Q is equal to what? CV. So V is equal to Q by C. It become Q upon C is equal to V1. What the value of V1? Charge is Q and capacity is what? C1. So it become Q upon C1 plus Q upon C2 plus Q upon C3. Q will common and cancel out. And what we get answer? 1 upon Cs is equal to series combination C. It is just opposite of what? Resistance. 1 upon Cs is equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon what? C3. So this is the formula for series combination. If you are confirmed that charge are same, so it will be in series combination, and then you have applied the formula 1 upon Cs is equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. Okay. So this is all about your series combination. Next, parallel combination. Parallel combination. Let's suppose you have a plated capacitor as like this. This is symbol of capacitor. Okay. C1, C2, C3. When V potential applied it. V potential applied it. So potential will be same for all, you better know. But what are total charge? It was Q. It become Q1, Q2 and Q3. What are difference? In that case, charge was same but potential was different. Here potential is same but charge is different. So it become plus Q1 minus Q1 by induction plus Q2 minus Q2 plus Q3 minus Q3. If you want, you can earth it. So it becomes charge Q1, Q2 and Q3. So what are total charge? It was Q divided in 3 parts. So total charge Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus what? Q3. Charges are divided, then they will be in parallel combination. Okay. What is the value of Q? You better know Q is equal to what? CV is equal to C1V. Potential is same for all. It will be C1 and potential is V plus C2V plus C3V. V will common and cancel out. What a formula? CP, parallel combination, is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Are you getting? So see here, in parallel combination, the capacity C is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. So this is all about your combination of electrical capacitance. Okay. So that's all for today. Next day we will study about their combination with numericals. How many types are there? So first is over series, second was parallel. In next day we will got the combination in mixed combination point. Okay, that's all.